Morning, afternoon, or evening, depending where you are right now in the world. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Excuse me. This is a second part of the experiment. You can go back and watch my 765, my video on the Yale zero-bitted key, where I did it on a stock pins. To see how easy it was to rake open versus it is to pick open. And then I changed the pins and I waited. I guess it's been 4 or 5 days. I don't know. And let's see if my pins did any difference in raking and let me see. Yeah, that'll be all right. Raking and picking. So we're going to do the rake test first. Just using the homemade pick that I made out of a rake. Now let's see what we got. We're in focus. Okay, let's try this. I got nothing on that. I'm using a different tension wrench. That one's a little sloppy. I wonder if I can do it with this one. Let me get my rake in. There we go. Okay, let's try there. Light tension. And I try rocking and raking. And so far, I've got nothing. I'm getting hung up on the pins. Okay, I'll rock a little bit. See if I can get anything to pop. And maybe I'm going to try picking it with it. See if I can get anything free. Can't get it in that way. I really did make some sharp pins, I think. Okay, I'm getting a couple of clicks. No movement yet. Okay, I just got a teeny bit of a movement. I think I just set one pin. Usually pretty good on raking too. I don't like raking, but that doesn't make me bad on it. I'm usually pretty good and know how to lighten up and add tension on it when I'm raking. I got nothing, guys. I think I picked one pin. You can see I sort of got a false set going. This would be straight up and down, but it's a little to the right. Let me give it a couple more shots. I'll make fair about this. This is a zero-bitted key or lock. Okay, I really do got nothing. Let's see how many. Yeah, I picked one chamber. That's it. And I'm definitely going to give it one more try. I got a little bit of a movement, the same one I got before. I must have hit the same pin. I'm going to rock it, rake it, bake it, try to open it. After that first pin, I get nothing. It almost, I mean, I can feel the pins going up and down. It's not seized by any means. I'm just not getting anything. Okay, we're done. Same kind of thing, just one pin. Watch it go back. Okay, now we're going to try picking it. So let me get a pick. Picking this. Okay, let me. I can use that. Okay, and you turn it a little bit. Same thing. You know what? I'm going to go top of the keyway. Not ready. Not ready for that. Sorry. That'll work. Let me move this up a bit. Yeah, chopping my stuff all over the counter keeps on sinking. Let me just let it sit there, let it settle. That's good. Okay. Begin. Gotta hold it. I think I got a little click out of one. Well, there's a little click out of two of them. Got two. I'm gonna try going onto this lip right here. Nothing on 3. Okay, that was 4, 5. That's 6. Beginning. Stay in there. Okay, I lost track there. Sorry, I wasn't even counting. Just want to pick it. Start from the beginning. Nothing. 1, 1. All right, 2 is where I got that. Must have been the pin that I got the little false set or 1-pin set when I was raking it. Now let's go on 3, 4, 5. That's 6. Beginning. 1. 2 is a little crunchy, but I think there was a little movement. Yeah, that's a little bit more movement with my fingers. 3, 4, 5 feels okay. Come on, man. Still getting hung up on some of my pins. This is 6. Feels okay. It's bouncy. The 1. Okay. 2. 3. 4 feels like it's binding. Okay. 5. Okay. And 6. All right. Still not getting any movement yet. Back to 1. Okay. 2. Okay, I got a little movement there. 3. Felt it move again. That was 4. Here's counter rotation here. 5. Okay. I got a good false set going. I don't know which one I just hit there. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, a little bit of movement. 5, 6. Beginning. 1. A little counter rotation on 2. A little movement there. Nothing on 3. 4 feels like, I got to go something higher. And I think that's the problem. Go to my other pick from the beginning. That was 1, 2, 3, and I got a little bit of more movement. A little bit of more movement, that made sense. 4. Counter rotation. 5, great. Very cool, great, honest, whatever you want to call it. Good false set going. Lost for words. And 6. Back to the beginning. Get 1. I think 2 feels good. 3 is down. Binding. A little bit of movement there. 4 is binding. A little bit of movement. All right, that was 6. 5, maybe. I don't think I hit 6. 6 feels like it's binding. Okay. Good false set going. Very cool. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is bouncy. 4 is binding. And I got you. Woo! All right. Gotta be frank with you. I sort of remember what I put in there even after a week. Let's show you what I did put in there. And I guess right off the top you can say that without a doubt, depending on what pins you have in there, zero bidding will affect it. On a stock lock, I think you can rake it open all day long. I could be wrong. If someone tells me that I'm wrong, I'm honest for opinion. Let me put this here. But I did it stock, and it raked open as fast or faster than I could pick it. Let me take the clip off. Okay, we'll turn it. That's good enough right there. Maybe just a short little chim-chim just to bridge this gap. Oops. Oh man, my camera's about to fall again. 1 sec, let me tighten it. Still trying to make it a short video for you guys. Okay, we'll leave it at like that. I need a follower. No problems. Don't need no stinking. That was almost a problem. I just barely made it by. Okay. Shim. All right. Number 1. I'm going to go over these pins in a minute because kind of proud of what I did here. very difficult if you didn't know exactly what was in there. And like I said, I sort of remember, but it was still difficult to pick open. This is going to be a good challenge lock for you guys. Okay. God, my camera's slowly but surely falling. You could see that I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 threaded. 3 is undercut, and 4 is undercut, and 6 is undercut. I hope you can see that. All right, let me fix the camera one more time. Please stay on camera. I'll just move it like that. Okay, I'll go over the pins in 1 second. Let me get the top out. Great. I'm screwing up left and right here. I've definitely got to do something about this camera. Actually, it's not the camera. It's just the way I got it mounted. Okay. Again, that'll be the front. I'll remember that. Number 1. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And I put in a copper spring, fairly strong. Whoa, that was almost a disaster. I'm coming close, coming close. Yeah, these springs, all of them, are pretty strong. I'm going to be extra aware so it don't shoot out. I guess these copper springs that I have are fairly strong. All right, that was 3. Am I grabbing there? I did. 4. I'm not going to worry about it. It wants to come out, but it's playing games. There it comes. Never mind. I'm going from the other side. Copper spring. Whoa. God, I almost lost that one. I kind of don't know what I'm doing here. Wait a second. That should be that one, right? And that should be that one. And we should be done. Except for springs. I think I still got one stuck right there. 1 second. That one. That one. And that one. Okay, mods on the core. I don't believe I did anything with that. Let me get a zoom, zoom, zoom. Maybe I am zoomed. Yeah, I was. There we go. I really don't remember if I did anything to... No, I didn't. I thought I did. What a beefy core this is. Oh, I did. I did. They are threaded. They're all threaded the same way. You can see there. I almost said no, I didn't. Okay, you can see. Now you can see them. Okay, they're all threaded. Get this side. Yeah, better shot. Okay, so you saw that. They're all threaded. You saw the core. They were all threaded. And now check out the pins. If you bear with me 1 second, let me grab this off the stand and I'll get you a zoomer picture. Okay. There we are on the key pins. You can call it a spool, a mushroom spool. Basically, it's the same thing with the second one, and I'm leaving the little tips you see. I guess Yale makes them like that. On the key pins, you can put them in either way when they're stock, and they both have the same. Number 3 is upside down. Not anymore. I like it. It gives it sort of a, if you tilt it one way, it goes to like an offset. So on number 4, I filed it down a little more to make it stick up a lot. So actually that top little one is a teeny little spool in it, and then serrated. And then we have a double serrated pin in number 5, and 6 is a standard top pins. Call it what you like. I like making weird stuff. So very sharp top, fat serration, and some micro serrations in there. Followed by the same thing. I made like a little, I hate using the word tit, but that's what it is. And combined with number 1, it kind of angles or whatever, and you get it gets stuck. So I've remembered that, so I kind of cheated a little bit because I remembered the pins. Number 1 is a serrated, tapered down spool and a couple of serrations at the bottom. We got a sharp top serration on number 3, followed by serrations. 4 is totally serrated. 5, and I know some of them are vice versa. When they came out, they kind of slipped, so I know which way to put them back. But 5 is a big serration on the top, followed by a big serration and 2 little ones. The next one is like a tapered down pin, almost like no, it's not an hourglass, but it's tapered down. I got micro serrations in the bottom of it, towards the top of it, and 1 serration towards the bottom. Springs are all copper springs, pretty fairly beefy springs, work really well. And that is my challenge lock. I will see, I am holding, this next video is going to be a preview of what my giveaway is going to be. So I'll just show everybody, but I'm only at 650 something or whatever. I want to get to 700 and I'll hold the giveaway. You're going to love what you see. All right, guys, that's all I got. Please hit that, hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. Get me some subscribers. And don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one. I am gone.